Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing one of the most common error that Instagram users are facing. The page isn't available right now. This may be because of a technical error that we are working to get fixed. Try reloading this page. It can be frustrating when you are unable to access your account, but don't worry, we got you covered with several steps to fix this error and get you back to using your Instagram account. The first thing you have to do is try to click on the refresh button, which is located in the bottom of the page. By clicking this refresh button multiple times can fix the issue, because sometime it can be temporary from the Instagram side or from your due to your device or your internet issue. Okay, so by clicking multiple time on refresh button will resolve the issue. If the refresh button doesn't work, then it's time to check the Instagram server status, because Instagram occasionally experience server downtime which can cause error like this. Okay, so what you can do to check the server status is simply the Google and type Instagram server status. Just click on this down detector link. When you open this one, and you can see there is a big red spike. You can see this is because lot of users are facing this issue, and they are reporting this issue on this website. That's why there is a red big spike is there. So this means currently there is some server outage, or there is some bug going on Instagram side. So if the select, so currently Instagram is down, so then you can't access the Instagram app. You can get the this particular error. If this so what you need to wait for some time till this server, that Instagram server, back online, before you can access your Instagram account. But apart from this, there are some workaround you can also apply to see, uh, because by following those workaround I was able to resolve, and other users were also able to resolve the error. So what you can do first, if you have if you have Instagram installed in your device, first uninstall that Instagram and try to install the older version of Instagram, because sometimes the new update introduced bug and other issue, then cause error like this. So by installing the older version of that, you can revert to the version that doesn't have the issue. To download the old version, what you can do, just write Instagram APK. When you search on the Google Instagram APK, there are some website are coming. So you can go to this apkpure.com website. When you click on this website, just scroll down and you will find the old version of Instagram. So apart from top one version, you can install below any version, or you can skip first two version. Okay, like on 27th March, this version you can install. Just try to install and check the error is resolved or not. Okay, if still you are getting the error in the old version also, then what you can use, you can also use the Instagram website instead of Instagram app, because sometimes the app can have an issue that website doesn't have. Okay, so by using the website, you are able to bypass the error and you can access this. Go to instagram.com. When you go to there is a big button is coming, get the Instagram app. Don't click this one, just click below on login. When you click on the login, here you can enter your phone number or your Instagram username and password, and tap on login. Simple, you will able to successfully login. Okay, also, again, because every time you can't use the website, so when you are coming back after few hours, or like 1 to 10 hours, it can take time, because it may be the issue can be resolved from Instagram side in 1 hour, or it can take 5 hour or 10 hour. So what you can do, after some time, you can just go to your Play Store or App Store, just search Instagram, and check is there update is available from the Instagram side, because Instagram will release an update if that particular bug required an update. Okay, so you will find that update, like instead of open button you will get that update button. By simply to update the app, so simply tap on the update button and you will get it updated to latest version, and then after that you will able to log in into your Instagram account. Okay, so whatever the workaround and fixes and reason we have explained, I hope this video was helpful to you, and by using this video you will able to resolve the error page isn't available right now. If you have any other workaround or any tips, you can share them in the comment below, so that will be helpful to other user also. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content, and we will see you in next video. Thank you.